Are you new to the channel? Or are you trying to learn scripting? I am working on a cool website that will help your practice and learn more. Make sure you join our Discord server for the model and for sneak peeks for the website. And now, enjoy! Alright everyone, this is how the pickup system looks like. Once you are close to the golden parts, an E button will appear, and if you are close enough, you will be able to collect it and gain some score. This is useful for robbery systems if you are making one. The model will be in our Discord server, make sure you join our family and take the models for free. I'll explain what I made quickly. It's simple. I started by adding data, so every time we collect your score, increase. Then a remote event in which every time we press E to collect the amount of gold we have increased by 1. In the local script we started by adding the variables. We used context service instead of user input service because we want the button to work for both mobile and computer. After we created a function that will run in the background while the other code is running, and this function is to check if the player is close to the parts. So we apply an effect. And that effect is making the E billboard appear when you are close to the part. Then we create a function that will work only if you press E. It will check if you are close to the golden part. If that's true, then it will play a nice effect. The effect is making the particles emit, making the part fade. And after we fire a remote event to tell the server to increase our score. The rest of the code is just setting the position of the E button for mobile and giving it the action, which is the function we created to collect. And yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, suggest your ideas in the comments and have a nice day.